Hello, Daniel. This is Paul. Okay, I'm sending you this video to help you practice and get that next belt, dude. So the first thing, I think your mom got this list through email, but I'm going to go over it with you again anyway, just so kind of help you with practicing along the way, okay? And I'm going to switch the camera. Hopefully you can see this. But first thing on that list of stuff to get a hold of is know the names of the lines on the staff. All right, so know that, and we're looking at this one here, this curly one. That's the staff. This is called the treble clef. You're going to want to memorize that, the treble clef. All right, and the lines are how many? Well, first of all, how many lines are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. You got to memorize those lines so you know what the note names are. Each note gets a letter of the alphabet. E, G, B, D, and F. Every good boy does fine. Okay? Every good boy does fine. So if I go over here, that note's going to be every, E. Okay? And if I go, well, that's the highest one. That's okay. And now the spaces on the staff spell face. F-A-C-E. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. You're going to want to memorize that too. So looking over here, oh yeah, what note is that? That's F. Face. So that's an F. That is an F. All right, so that's the first thing you're going to want to do is memorize those notes. And F is the only one. Now, there's a couple more you guys got to kind of memorize for the heck of it. That one is C. That one, so the one right below the staff with the slash through it is C. C is in cat. And that one that just is right under the staff, that one is D. D, dog. D. So that's C, 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 D. There's some more D's. There's E for every. There's another C. D, dog. E for every. Oh, look, there's a space. F for face. F-A-C-E. F-A-C-E. Face. All right, so you're going to want to memorize those notes of the treble clef. Write in the note names for every single note. All right, so like for here, this one I'd write in, or C. Sorry, C right there. And this one's going to be C also. I can hold my paper still, etc. Now down here we have 2 notes at the same time. That's C because it's got that slash through it, and that's on the bottom line. Well, with the bottom, we know the bottom line is every good boy does fine. E. So C is the bottom one. E is the next one up. Play those at the same time. Here we have D, because remember D is right below the staff, and that's on the bottom space. And remember the spaces spell face. Oops, right here. Sorry, dude. This is, I think I was off the camera, but that is C and E, and this is C and E, and this one's D, remember D, and F for the bottom space. D and then F, all right? And so go through all the notes of the treble clef. That's this top one, the squirrely one, and write in all the note names. Okay, so now the next thing is, play and count the entire song. Woo! Play and count the entire song. Okay, so now we got to count as we play. Counting as we play. Now the counting as we play means these notes with this one, well, we'll call that a stem, darkened in, are quarter notes, like a quarter of a dollar, or a 25-cent piece is a quarter. A quarter note. Quarter notes get 1 beat, so memorize that. These are quarter notes. I'm going to quiz you, and you got to tell me, I'm going to pick a measure, and you're going to tell me how many quarter notes in a measure. Like if I say this measure, you got to tell me 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. Or this measure, you're going to tell me 1 quarter note. All right, now the note that looks like a quarter note but is open circle is a half note. the half note gets 2 counts. So when I say counts, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm counting 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And that, oh, by the way, that is a quarter rest. That gets 1 count also. 1, 1, 1, 1. And then 1 for the quarter rest, and then 1 for the quarter note. The half note gets 2 counts. 1, 1, 1, 2. Here we rest. We don't do anything for 1 count. Okay? And you're going to go through the whole song and count as you play. All right? So here I would play like this. I would play 1. Ooh, let me turn up the volume. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, so again, that's just that first line. You'll do all the lines like this for your next belt. It's beginning, it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2. All right? So you want to count as you play, so you're playing in what we call time. Okay, and that's it. So remember, finger number 1 is on C, and finger number 1 down here is on B. So my hand position is going to be, oh, here, this is going to be, my thumb is right there. There we go. So my thumb is right here on C, and then my left hand, my thumb is right here on B. All right? And then I don't have to move my fingers at all. Each one of them gets a key, and they stay there for the whole song. All right? Okay, so hopefully that helps, buddy. I think you can do this really well. It may not happen in a week, or maybe it'll happen by next week. Maybe it will happen this week. I don't know. We'll see. All right, buddy, you take care, and I'll see you Thursday. Bye.